Here's how to check if something untoward, a malware or something might be installed on your machine. First, of course, run your antivirus software. You might also want to try Malwarebytes or Spybot, search and destroy, to check for things. If you're still having problems with pop-ups and things, then let's take a look and see what's in your programs and features. So you want to come down to your search bar and just type in programs. And programs and features or add remove program should pop up depending on what version of Windows you have. And you'll want to take a quick scan from through all your list of programs and see if you see anything that you don't recognize. So if I'm looking down here, obviously if the corporation says Adobe or Microsoft or Intel, or Dell or whatever underneath here, it's probably a safe bet that it's something that you need. If you're not sure, I would Google it. And again, this is an HP, so everything HP I'm going to leave alone. But if there's something on here that I don't understand or don't really know what it is, say this reflector, I can Google what it is and it will tell me. And I can simply remove it and uninstall it if it's something that I don't want. Before I do this, I would also do a restore point. So before I got started on that. All right, so then the next thing that you can do. These guys are pretty tricky. They make sure that their items usually don't show up here, is you can go into your programs and features on your C drive. So we are just going to go to our File Explorer and open this up, and then go to the C drive, your PC, and go to your C drive, and you're going to see Program Files and Program Files. And you're going to open both of these up and take a look if there's anything in here that is not showing up. So you'll notice that I am viewing hidden files. So underneath View, I put a check mark in Hidden Files. That way I can see if there's anything that's kind of hidden. That might be something I need to throw away as well. So if I see a program here that shouldn't be on here, I can just delete it and throw it in the trash. So I'm going to look at both of these areas. I'm also going to look in my users and find my user, and I'm going to look in the app data and see if there's any app that has some data in here, an app that I don't recognize. That might give me a thumbs up too. I'm also going to take a look at my startup items. So to do that, I have to do a Control-Alt-Delete and click on the Task Manager. Once the Task Manager opens, I'm going to click on More Details. And I'm going to see which processes are running. Anything that I don't want, I can click on it and end the task. But more important are my startup items. These are all the things that start up when I open up my computer. So malware might be starting up, some other things. And also if I try to delete this item, it might say it can't be deleted because it's running. So I need to disable it at startup. So I would take a look again, see anything that looks suspicious, and I can simply right click on that and disable it at startup so it won't open up when I start up, and I'll be able to delete it then after that. You might just look at some of these other items that might be slowing your system down. If there's something that has a huge startup impact, say OneDrive or something like that, or Google Backup and Sync, I can always disable it. I can always turn it on by starting up the program once I've launched my computer.